You've been yapping away so much about pronunciation and letter sounds. Just tell us how to do it. This video is for you. Again, just a disclaimer, this video and the way that I'm choosing the sequence of letter sounds is not intended for young learners, which are, for example, below the age of 5, and they're being introduced to letter sounds and letters for the very first time. Okay, so what I'm targeting is the primary school age group from 7 to 12. If they are struggling with reading, letter sounds, phonemes, this video is for you and them if you're trying to reach out to this group. Okay. Suggested letter sound sequence for primary school learners. B, balloon. P, pumpkin. K, cat. S, pencil. K, kite. F, frog. L, lamp. M, moon. N, nest. Qu, queen. R, rainbow. T, turtle. D, dog. V, volcano. H, heart. W, watermelon. A, apple. A, acorn. R, avocado. Around. O, water. A, elephant. E, eagle. E, igloo. I, ice. S, sock. Z, desert. Z, zipper. X, box. O, octopus. O, ocean. U, two. A, umbrella. U, unicorn. U, ruler. Y, yarn. E, gym. I, butterfly. E, baby. G, grape. J, giraffe. J, jam.